Here's a quick recap of today's price action. So coming into today, I had a pretty neutral bias because we had a pretty big bullish SMT at major sell side. Um, but we were also like trending lower, especially like towards this big low here. So I had like a bit conflicting draws. Um, yeah, so coming into the day, like mainly this hourly gap was my condition, to be honest, above here. Um, but right at market open, I saw that we inverse this 5-minute gap right here. Yeah, and overall price just looked pretty bullish. We had a nice 1-minute um, internal SMT with 930 low, and we had a big bullish SMT. Yeah, so then I just basically waited for price to form a nice bullish PD array for me to take longs off, which did end up happening, which I can, I think, show you in a replay. So as you can see, we did end up trading towards our unfilled hourly fair value gap. We also had a 4-hour Devil's Mark above an internal high and also Asia highs, which are pretty strong bullish draws. We then created a 15-minute sponsored fair value gap and got a 1-minute IFVG. Some confidence that I liked about this trade were clearly like the sponsorship of the 15-minute, which should bring us higher to our draw, the hourly gap. The hourly gap was also had pretty nice hourly equal highs on ES, and this gap was also untapped on ES. We also perfectly respected CE of this 15-minute gap with a nice inversion. Yeah, I know the gap was a bit small and like the inversion was not like it did look a bit weird. That was also the fact, and due to this fact, I de-risked, so I only risked like 2 micros. I think I lost like 110 bucks. Yeah, and what is also like pretty interesting to say is that ES perfectly wigged out EQ of the range and tapped into discount, which was right here at 10:19 yeah, 10:19 a.m. This was also a nice conference, so I did not want to see any further rebalance, and obviously this was our draw. We also had like a nice low time frame AMD model, like we accumulate here, manipulate into our 15-minute fair value gap, and then get a nice retracement up to our main draw, the hourly fair value gap, which did not end up happening. I think I got like stopped out in probably 10 seconds. Yeah, you could have also like taken the 5-minute right at the start, but at that time I thought that we are like we weren't delivering off of anything. Yeah, you can argue, okay, we had this big bullish SMT, but like this bullish SMT was like, I think, how long was it ago? Like 30 minutes. Like it happened 30 minutes ago. Um, so I was not like 100% sure about my bias, but once we had formed this 50-minute sponsored fair value gap, I was obviously looking for longs, and also due to the fact of how price action looked. So I think it was a pretty good trade. W risk management that I de-risked because of the, I call it weird looking inversion, but the fact that we swept out EQ on ES and we respected C of the wick, it's like all pretty good confluence. We also had 1-minute slanted highs above. Yeah, and I would obviously like target this hourly gap. Yeah, unfortunately it was a loss, but I think it's a good loss, and I would have 100% taken this trade while backtesting, so it's just a part of the statistic. Um, Alright, and I guess that's it for today. I think price didn't even deliver to like the hourly gap, just like way below, um, or like way after. So I guess that's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you tomorrow.